Hello, Johnny here again. Another package from a charity shop. This, I think, was a bit of a bargain because they'd actually said there was a problem with it and what the problem was. So I put a small bid on it. No one wanted it. So I ended up getting this for next to nothing. And you'll see what it is in a minute. Well, they've sellotaped it up good and proper, this have. Now this was the hospice in Lincoln that bought this off. So I'm always happy to support our charities. And it's well boxed, as you can see, and packed as well. So we'll take it out, including its bubble wrap. Receipt for it, look. Hey! Not often you get something like that off of eBay. Right. I'll put the pop box to one side because that'll become useful. And there it is. One, as you can see, comes with its manual as well. How am I going to get in there? Let's do that. Oh, I've got so many of these manuals now. But it's a BBC Micro, including manual. Yeah. Right, let's see what this bird is like. Put there, put there, cut there. Do the same this side. Cut there, cut there, cut there. There we go, that should do it. Bit sticky in places. There we go. Bit dusty. Chuck that over there. One BBC Micro. Complete with dust cover, and it's not bad. I thought it would be a lot yellower than that. But there you go, one BBC Micro. Now this could be an issue 7, could be, because you don't, there's the vent still there, but you can't see into the mechanics. So it's got a serial number on it. There you go. Now the problem is, what they said was they turned it on and there was a pop and a puff of smoke and then they turned it off. Well, we all know what that is. So after I got it, I went to my friend on eBay, Retro Clinic, who specialises in BBC Micros, and got myself a capacitor kit. And what I'm going to do in this set of videos, so this will be the first one, is we're going to try it out, because it should still work. And if it still works, you know, with the instructions and everything, if it still works, then I'm going to do a set of videos explain how to take the power supply out, what to do to the power supply, how to solder these fellas in and where to solder them, and then put it all back together. And it's going to do a set of videos all about that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug that into the telly, because as you can see, look, new carpet, man cave. I've been turfed out the living room because of clogging everything up. Got my own room now, so I can do what I like. So I'm going to plug this into the telly, and then we'll see exactly how it performs. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Take care, bye. Right, there we go. BBC. Plugged it in. As you can see, my new man cave, got new telly. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch her on. Right then, here we go. Oh, it's got the nice 2 reassuring beeps, and sure enough, there we go. Now isn't that a wonderful sight? So we've got BBC, let's see how much memory, 32K, what we got on there. So it's just got the operating system, so let's see if it basic works. Whoa. Yeah, goodness sake. No, that's the one I want. Right. See if we do it right. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Oh, they look like they're all there. Right. 30. Go to 10. Run. Well, basics on there. So, I mean, the picture is really good as well. The picture is too good. No buzzing or squeaking out the speakers. So it'd be interesting to see what version of this BBC is, because I got an issue 3 BBC that's got the Turbo MMC onto it, and if this is a later edition BBC, I might just relocate that Turbo MMC onto this one and do what I was going to do with the issue 3. Because what I was thinking was, seeing as I got this for next to nothing, it was like 20 quid, I was going to repair the power supply and then resell it and give the money to the charity that I bought it from as a donation, because this computer is too good. But I might just put the Turbo MMC onto this one and then sell the issue 3 one on eBay as a working BBC, because I've done the capacitors on that, and then give the money I make on that to the charity that I bought this one from. Right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna switch it off, and I'm gonna take the cover off, and let's see what's inside and see what it looks like, because it doesn't look that bad. I'm pretty surprised. Alright then, I'll see you in a minute. got my trusted screwdriver and we're going to have a look inside. So I might just speed this up for you in editing. So here we go. Well, I've got myself, can you see that? Let's turn it around. I've got myself an issue 7 motherboard there, and it looks in pretty clean nick. There's only the 2 chips, so that's basic and the operating system. We've only got 1 input-output chip though, which is there. Keyboard looks extremely clean, just needs a brush around it. Got some dirt in there, which we can easily get rid of. Yeah, it's not. This is not a bad find. I'm seriously considering taking the MMC out of the version 3 machine and putting it in here. Yeah, seriously considering it. Right, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna have a think about it. And I'll come back to you in a bit. See you in a bit. Bye. Right then, what I've decided to do is I am keeping that one. I have just ordered another Turbo MMC, so I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to sell the issue 3 with Turbo MMC, and what money I make on it I'm going to give to the charity that I bought this one from, because this is a very, very good machine, except for the power supply, which I need to look at, and I've got the bits, and that's what this video series is about, is to sort that power supply out. So I'm going to sort that power supply out, and I'm going to do it in steps. So the next video will be taking the beeb apart and taking the power supply out and dismantling the power supply, and then the one after that will be the replacing of the components, and then the one after that is rebuilding the whole lot, and hopefully by then I will have the Turbo MMC arrive and I'll be able to hook that up as well. So I will see you in the next video when I dismantle this and take that out. Until then, take care. Bye bye.